Hello and welcome back to Factory Town. In our last episode, we were continuing to work on this manufacturing center, so we have stockpiles of all of the essentials, building materials, or most of the essential building materials here made, and we can take down all the fractitious pieces we have set up out there in different places. I did do a couple of things off camera. I think I fixed something with the air crystals. What did I fix with the air crystals? Where are the air crystals? There they are. I think, the coal mine. I had to put in another elevator here to get that up to level. And then, changed one other mine, maybe over here. Might have also been this coal mine here. For the same reason, we ran out of coal. So, those couple things got changed. And then, we were talking during the premiere of yesterday's episode about the difference between growing, or a forester regrowing a tree on a bare tile versus a forester regrowing a tree on a tree planter. And so I did a test, and I can actually recreate that test fairly easily. If I pause the game and I build 2 tree planters, and then I put trees on both of them, and then I remove one of the tree planters, that tree still stays, which is kind of cheaty, but that's okay because it's just for this particular test. Then if I unpause, it'll start growing both of those trees. In the meantime, we can talk about this because I want this to get up to a little bit of a level before we take a look at it anyway. So today we're going to continue working on this stuff by getting into the rails. The rails is a little bit smaller-ish of a build. Well, not really, but it may be a little bit smaller of a build than the belts were. Yeah, I guess it is kind of a smaller build. It's got a lot more gears, but it ends up being kind of a repetitive build as opposed to a long chain of items here that kind of come together. So we're going to work on the rails and then maybe pipes if we get time to work on pipes. So back here to our little experiment. If we pause this right now, you can see that this tree here is at 30% and this tree here is at 15%. So as I predicted during the chat, and as probably everyone also thought, the tree planters make the trees grow at double the rate, which is not a bad thing. Which is kind of the same thing I think that the farm tiles do compared to a wild growing piece of plant as well. But at least that proves that the tree planters are beneficial and we do want to use them. Okay, and all the math that I did was assuming that plants were on farm tiles and trees were on tree planters, so that works out fine. And then with the plants, obviously, we're assuming that they're all going to get water and fertilizer, which means, of course, we need to bring in some fertilizer via train for this once it's time. The other thing that I did was I reversed all of these chutes and grabbers so that we have about half of everything coming into this one and half of it coming into this one. It's not perfect, but it's about. And then they're getting fed into here and then into here. So we're going to end up unloading all of that iron here into this and then eventually into this as well. So let's go ahead and unpause and we can start working on laying out this more correctly. So this is going to take in the fire crystals as well as the magic rails, or the mechanical rails rather. And we're going to make the mechanical rails here. They need most of these gears. Actually, all of these gears. 8 gears every 10 seconds. This produces 1 gear every 10 seconds, so that was a nice equal ratio. So those are going to go only into this machine, which is good. There's no splitting here or anything. There is going to be some splitting with the iron forges here, but we'll figure that out. The machine shop here is going to make the rails themselves. These make it twice the rate of these other rails, which is fine because we're just going to stockpile these anyway. We're not going to stockpile the mechanical rails because as far as I can tell, they only benefit rail cars, and with the default settings the way they are, we can't use rail cars for anything but the bulk items that go onto the train hopper cars anyway. So what's the point of rail cars, or of mine carts rather? So let's not use those. I might want to rearrange this a little. Actually, I think I will rearrange this a little. Let's see. So the lumber is going to have to come in, or the logs at least are going to have to come in from over here because I want trees to be planted on the green area. Just for logic reasons. I don't think the game really cares, but I want it that way for logic reasons. So let's take this over here someplace. Excuse me. And we're probably going to level this land, but at least we'll put it there for now. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these machine shops on this side instead, because we have so little going into making the pipes that we can rearrange things here. And so I think the lumber is going to come in on this side. That goes into here. Machine shops are all for these, so they can come in on this side, and then the stone can be right here where the lumber mills are. So let's do that. Let's move these. Yeah, we'll start even with that one. There's no buffer here. This buffer is here. Yeah, that's good. Let's move this back so that we can have a barn in here, though. I'll have to move it back a little bit more. Let's just delete all these now that I copied one of them. Loud noise. And then let's copy these here. One back, because that's going to be one back. There and there. Move this back by one more. Oops, wrong button. There. And then these stonemasons can be here. That's on a hill, so I have to fix it anyway. We'll take out some of these crystals here, I think. At least that many. And then we can copy this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's a nice uneven line, but it's only got one input and one output, so I think it'll be okay. And then we need to have these 5 forges. Some of the stuff for the forge is going to go into here, though. They need 2 every 5 seconds. Yeah, it's uneven. Of course it is. This is going to need 8 every 10 seconds. This is going to produce 2 every... Oh, geez. 8 every 10 seconds. Let's go out to 20. That's 16 every 20. This is 5 every 20. 1, 2, 3, 4 would be needed for these 8. This is going to need... Maybe I'll split these up. Yeah, let's split these up. Let me move this onto that side. No. Let's move this slightly this way. And we'll move this over here. With a little bit more room here. And then I think what I'm going to do is make 2 forges for this. Even though I technically only need 5, because that's 8 every 10. Let's make it 20 seconds. That's 16 every 20. And this needs 8 every 20. So that's 24 every 20. And these are making 5 every 20. So that's 25. I think that's the better option to do. So let's do this like this. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4. And then do... Don't like it. Five, 6, but I must move these. I'm going to have to redo some of these, I think. Maybe. That one. There, and then this one. And that one can get deleted. Or maybe I needed that anyway. Okay. And then we'll have coal coming in on one level and iron coming in on another. There are... not happy. Or am I okay? Comes in there. I think this will work. Let's do this here and here. And then if this goes up by 2... And that's still only level 3 with those guys. Okay, good. Alright, so we need to have a chute coming in this way. And this will be here, 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 here. Actually, I don't know if this is going to be enough capacity, because as we learned with these 4, one chute wasn't enough. So maybe I don't do this. Like that. Well, maybe that one was okay. Let's delete these guys. Put these here instead. They can even be closer. Maybe there instead. Put them on their own separate line, because yeah, we're going to need to have 2 chutes coming into these 4 as well, and then 1 for these 2, I'm guessing. So maybe I can put these closer now. No workers. Build some more houses too. And we are pretty close on the worker front. Oh, wow, our happiness has gone up quite a bit. Probably because I fixed another thing. What did I fix? Oh, I know what I fixed. I fixed bread again. We were feeding all that wood that we had gathered from those trees into the kitchens here. And I just switched it out to make it use the coal that we've been delivering here and not using for a long time. Wait a minute. Why was that way? I changed something else over here too. I don't remember what it was. Oh, it wasn't over here. It was over here. Oh, it's the fish. I did talk about that. Yeah, the fish and the... Okay, there we go. The fish and the gears, the coal for them, weren't working. Okay, so that's that way. And then... Excuse me. These can go... Maybe these can go like here now. Yeah, let's put them here. Like that. Maybe that'll be better anyway. In the long run. Okay, so I think I'll bring the iron out from these guys this way and around, but I don't want to screw this up either. Is these in iron? Steel. Or not steel, but iron. It'll be okay. I think it'll be fine. I don't think we already spaced this out well enough, I think, that we don't need to add any space here, so. Okay, let's hook this stuff up now. We're gonna have to have a coal belt coming in, or coal chute coming in. Oh, these are on 3 different levels now. That's no longer going to work. Okay, I'll take that one back out and put it on the other end. 2 levels is all we can handle without being a little bit crazy. There. Okay, so that'll be coal. I know, it'll be fine. We'll figure it out. No, wait. Inputs are on this side. Talk on. Okay. Coal or iron chute coming in. Probably coal. And then splitters. And then supports. And that is level 1, 2, 3, which is perfect. Iron comes in this way. I should shift R that so that I don't have to do 7 rotations. Alright, and then that is the inputs. We're gonna have to mine coal again this way. I don't know how this is relative. We need to come down by 1. Let's bring it down here. And then across. Oh no, we didn't. We need to go straight across. Even better. In we go. Okay, that's coal. And then iron will bring in along the route, the long way. And we'll do the same kind of thing, I think, with this. We'll have... Oops. This one. This one. This one will come this way. We'll do a wide berth just so that it's there. Think that's right? No, it is not. Okay, and then I went too far. Go here like this. Oh wait, I already drained that one out, duh. Okay, let's change this. Go that way. Pick up all this stuff so I don't use new stuff instead of the old stuff. And then this one is there. Let's go out a couple. Could have been 3. There. And then go there. I can change that around like that. Okay, that's iron going into those 4. Or should that one have been the one that went into here? Probably. That's okay. This way. Take that out and go this way a couple more. And go this way. I'm putting all kinds of crap in the whatchamacallit, in the base, but that's okay. That one can go that way then, but then this kind of messes me up. Well, I guess it's fine. Do another structure here. Silo, go that way. That way. And then we'll go up. There, did I just do 2? Yeah, I just did 2. We'll go here. That can go this way. And then this way. Wired supports blocked. Oh, holding the wrong button down. That's also why the map was moving faster. There, and there. Okay. And I think I'm gonna have to change this anyways. But we'll leave this here and deal with it in a moment. Okay, so these need to be belted. And we need to have eventually 4 times 4, 16 every 4 seconds. That's 4 per second, which means that a magic belt is probably not enough. Or a metal belt is probably not enough. A magic belt might be. But I think what I'm going to do is do 2 metal belts instead. And do the first 2 of these. Actually, I could have done... Nah, we'll do it this way. This, and then this. I guess I don't need those, or these. And then that. And then these. This belt can go into the first 4, and this belt can go into the second 4. No. That's not going to work out well. Let's not do that at all. Let's go up further with this one. Just by 1. Go up here. Well, let's see. This is the high end. There. I think that works. Actually, it doesn't even need to be that high. It can just be this high. Like that. And down this way. Back up you go. Across and across and across. And then this goes in here, 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 and here. Splitter. There, there, there. And these ones can stay on the ground. And go across like this. And like this. And like that. And we should be gearing up now. And then we're going to have 4 times 8. Every 10 seconds. 3.2 per second. Maybe we should have 2 belts of those too. Makes sense. If we have 2 belts going in, we should probably have 2 belts going out. So I think what I will do is take this like this. That could be problematic though. Let's turn that and that. We'll keep these on the ground. We'll put this iron up on a level above it. No, that stupid slope. There. There. And I think you're going into here, right? Yes. Okay, and then this goes... I have to go there, there, and there. Grabber. Forgot that. I guess this needs to be gear. This is iron. Just for thoroughness, I'll put these here too. Okay, that's half the gears, and then the other half can come in here. Like that. Alright. And that takes care of those gears. Now we need to make all this stuff. So first off, we're going to build this up so I don't forget. We'll go up to 3. 1, okay. 2, 3. This is just going to be 8 every 4 seconds. Actually, that's a metal belt still. Lots of metal belts. And you're going to this one? Yes. Go Go in there and I'll put it there. These are going to be 1 per second each. We'll do this and this. Brick. And these are going to be here and here. Iron plate. Stone. Iron. Coal. Coal. Let's see, coal needs to be there. I think. Yes. There and there. Splitter. That iron needs to be here. And that's you. Just bring it this way. And then this way. Out like 2 more. And then we can step down into that. And into that. Alright, there's the iron. And then the coal is going to be a bit of a spaghetti mess, maybe. Or the stone. Unless I could just steal it off of this. We don't really need that much. This is going to need... Well, it's going to need 12... It's going to and eventually need 3 per second. And these are going to need 3 per second each, so I won't be able to steal it off of that forever. But maybe we can steal it for a little while. And then figure something else out later. Let's take this like this. I guess here? Oh, that's ridiculously perfect. And that can come like that. This goes there, 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 there. And you are on your way. And then we finally have to deal with wood. Do I do the math on this? No, it's the same math as these. It's going to be like 74 things. I think I should level this, though. Yeah, let's do terrain, flatten down here. And maybe I remove all that coal. Yeah, let's just remove it. Terrain, flatten up. Let's do this first. Is that enough? Either way, it's enough to start. No, but maybe, but probably. Can I click on that and then do... No, of course not. Why would I be able to do that? Do that. That's probably enough. There we go. 13 times 4 is 52. It's a deck of cards. And then we can do 5 times 3 is 15. We need more fertilizer. Please dump the fertilizer into the barn. I only saved 100 at a time. Are we at 52 and 15? Let's just do... more. Sure. More than enough, but better to have too much than not enough. And then I need to get this up over everything. So let's do like this maybe. Is that high enough? It should be more than enough. And then we'll take one chute. Come to like there maybe. Need to come way down now. To there. There. Alright, that's still growing. Take out something way back here, just so that it doesn't come up here into a mess. Let's see, come down about yay far, and we'll go across that at not a good way. There. That's good. Here. Is that down one more? Okay, that works. And into there. I think that'll work out okay. A little bit roller coastery, but sometimes roller coasters... Well, no, not sometimes. Roller coasters are fun. I have to do that again here. Just do this, because it needs to be a bridge. It needs to be 2 blocks high. And so it has to be the bridge piece, not the black piece. Whatever it's called. There. And these go into here, so we'll do the same thing. Eventually it'll be 4 every 3 seconds. Did I do metal belts for those? I did. Because it needs to be. Into here, into here. Planks. Thank you. And then just for posterity. And then these are almost grown. You can see how I drew it. Yay. All right. And now we should be making planks. We need to have more workers in here. I think it was 4. Yes, 4 workers. We're making rails now. Excellent. And then these are eventually 4 every 5 seconds. That's not too much for a cloth belt. Into there. That's into the barn. And then that can be coming right back out again. The same rate. Rail. Rail. I want 200 of these. Yes, probably. And then we need to have some fuel here in order to hook that up. This looks like a good source of fuel. Right there. I think I'll go up. It's already up by 1, 2, 3. And into there. And we should be getting mechanical rails. There we go. Okay, those are 1 every 10 seconds, eventually 4 every 10 seconds. So again, cloth belt is good. Mechanical rails. And then we need to have more fuel here, as well as more fire crystals here, or some fire crystals here, in order to make the magic rail, or magic rails. So the fire crystals we'll have to bring in along with the other things, the Omni crystals and then the air crystals. But where are we at with this, by the way? Air is being slow. Is it just slow, or is it broken again? We're out of... Okay, we're out of mana shards, mana somethings. Mine. Somewhere in this vicinity. 18, 19, 21. 21 sounds good. Are you okay with that? Yeah, you are. In you go. It looks like it's fast enough. Just barely faster than it needs to be. Nope, not fast enough. I lied. 2 it is. Our happiness is going up even more now. Oh, we have more houses. Of course it's going to go up more. Well, maybe. Because that means more stuff is spread out around more people. But, on the other hand, if we had surpluses of anything, then it would be... it'll be used faster. Although, this may not be sustained over time if the surpluses weren't sustainable. That is good. Okay, so we should be making these again. We are. All right. So I think we're going to leave this here. We're almost done with the air temple. No, we're not. We're only half done with the air temple. Well, maybe we'll get done with the air temple in the next episode when we hook up the steam pipes and mana pipes here. And then I think we're going to end up moving on to another build, probably the crystals, actually, now that I think about it. The mana crystals and the elementals crystals and stuff. So thank you all for joining me, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.